fun, hang with my kids, family. I like to do a lot of woodworking. So fun, yeah, I like to do it for fun, woodworking and family time. Hi, my name is Steve Shanks, project specialist. Day to day is like prepping, cleanliness, and shooting poly. I really like my job. I'll say I really like my job, you know. I guess the one thing I love about the job is that, you know, they stress the family, you know what I mean, and make sure you get enough family time spread with your work time kind of deal. So I guess that right there would be the love part, I guess. The most fulfilling part is the reaction after we fix or stabilize the customer's house. Usually their reaction says more than what they could say. I would say the most important thing the customer experiences with me is probably my courtesiness, my professionalism. I have a son, a daughter. My oldest is my daughter. She's 21. Son's 19. And then I have 3 stepkids that are, I'm gonna be in trouble for this, but I think they're 8, 10, and 12. So yeah, that right there would be like the addition to my family there. So it's a good addition. But yeah, we do family time, beach time, camping time, stuff like that. I guess a fun fact is I build jewelry boxes. Yeah, I build jewelry boxes out of just a chunk of wood and I freaking carve it down to freaking a solid box. So I guess that right there would be my fun fact, I guess.